Prime Minister's Awards for Excellence in Public Sector Management encourage and recognise better practice and innovation across all levels of Australian government. The breadth and diversity of the public sector is reflected in the 25 nominations featured tonight. Arts Queensland, backing Indigenous arts. Backing Indigenous arts is building a sustainable and ethical Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander arts industry in Queensland. Australian Institute of Health and Welfare, myhospitals.gov.au website. The My Hospitals website provides nationally consistent information and data about the performance of individual hospitals across Australia to the community. Australian Taxation Office, the Community Programs Project. Community Programs provides diverse and innovative employment opportunities, support and skills for disadvantaged and marginalised Australians. Department of Agriculture, Fisheries and Forestry. Australian Quarantine Inspection Service Self-Assessed Clearance SAC Paperless Initiative. The SAC Paperless Initiative has transformed air freight biosecurity screening and industry efficiency by delivering web-based commercial documentation. Department of Agriculture, Fisheries and Forestry. Remote diagnostics in quarantine settings. An innovative use of remote diagnostics technology strengthens Australia's biosecurity by allowing for immediate action on exotic pests and diseases. Department of Defence. Defence Community Organisation. Support Defence Force families. This project involves the enhancement of support measures provided to Australian Defence Force families through the Defence Community Organisation. Department of Finance and Deregulation. The National Telepresence System. The National Telepresence System is a secure, high-definition teleconferencing system across 20 sites, with all the qualities of face-to-face meetings. Department of Health and Ageing. Petrol Sniffing Prevention Program. The Petrol Sniffing Prevention Program reduces the prevalence and impact of petrol sniffing in Australia by supplying low aromatic fuel. Department of Human Services. Small Business Superannuation Clearinghouse. The Small Business Superannuation Clearinghouse aims to reduce red tape and compliance costs for small business associated with meeting superannuation guarantee obligations. Department of Innovation, Industry, Science and Research. Connected and Competitive Enterprises. Enterprise Connect delivers independent advice, grants and referrals that assist Australian small to medium enterprises become more productive, innovative and globally competitive. Department of Veterans Affairs. Veterans Health Week. The Department of Veterans Affairs challenge was to reinvigorate and consolidate Veterans Health Week to enable health-promoting lifestyle changes in the veteran community using a nationally coordinated approach. Fair Work Ombudsman, National Employer Program. The National Employer Program delivers fairer workplaces by assisting large national employers to meet their obligations to employees and improve their workplace practices and policies. Family Court of Australia and Federal Magistrates Court of Australia. The Commonwealth Courts Portal. The Commonwealth Courts Portal allows 24 hours worldwide access to Commonwealth Law Courts records and e-filing of family law documents. Family Court of Australia and Federal Magistrates Court of Australia. Young Employees Advisory Group. The Young Employees Advisory Group is a national leadership development forum for young employees which promotes innovation and best practice. Housing New South Wales. Customer Service Benchmarking Project. Housing New South Wales is improving the quality of its customer service through independent customer service benchmarking assessments. Housing New South Wales. Keeping in Touch program. The Keeping in Touch program provides regular contact, support and assistance to one of Housing New South Wales' most vulnerable clients, older people in our community. Housing New South Wales. Reaching Home. Reaching Home aims to transition rough sleepers and people at risk of homelessness into long-term housing options and includes access to outreach legal assistance and ongoing casework. Mid-North Coast Local Health District. Integrated Cancer Care. Integrated Cancer Care Service provides medical oncology, haematology and radiotherapy services across 3 sites on the New South Wales North Coast. New South Wales Department of Family and Community Services. Local Aboriginal Action Plans. Local Aboriginal Action Plans aim to build stronger working relationships between staff, Aboriginal people and local Aboriginal service providers. New South Wales Department of Family and Community Services. The New South Wales Mandatory Reporter Guide. The world's first online interagency structured decision-making tool for consistently identifying child protection concerns to the New South Wales Child Protection Helpline. New South Wales Department of Family and Community Services. Vocational Graduate Certificate. A workforce capacity building program allowing frontline staff to undertake a vocational graduate certificate, enabling them to compete for management roles. Northern Sydney Local Health District. Statistical Thinking and Methods Program, STAMP. STAMP uses data, information and knowledge to understand variability and improve strategic and operational decision making. Northern Sydney Local Health District. Vocational Rehabilitation Service, improving employment and education outcomes for people with severe and persistent mental illness living in the community. Queensland Police Service. Social media for emergency management and public relations. The Queensland Police Service effectively used social media during the disasters of 2010-2011 to communicate vital safety information to the Queensland community. Royal Prince Alfred Hospital. Development of New South Wales Extracorporeal Membrane Oxygenation (ECMO) Retrieval Service. A retrieval service provides ECMO support to patients with severe, acute respiratory or cardiac failure. Our nominees in the 2011 Prime Minister's Awards for Excellence in Public Sector Management, highlighting the contribution that a strong and continually improving public sector can make to Australia's future.